Hello guys, welcome to 5 Minute Solutions, and in this video we'll show you how to add your Reddit profile link on your Facebook profile. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open Reddit on your web browser. After that, open your profile, and after opening your profile, copy your profile's link, and after that go to your Facebook profile and click edit details, and after that click update our information and go to your option named contacts and basic info. Click website and social link and add a website, and after that paste the link you just copied from Reddit and click save, and your Reddit profile's link will be connected to your Facebook profile. So that's how you can add your Reddit profile link on your Facebook profile. Hope this video was helpful to you. If this video was helpful, then please like this video, share this video, and subscribe to the channel. And have a nice day.